There was important news today on another legacy of 9/11. The Justice Department has essentially pardoned the CIA's use of aggressive interrogation techniques. Those techniques, including waterboarding, which simulates drowning, are outlawed now, but they were common in the years after 9/11. National security correspondent David Martin has been working this story. David?
Scott, this is a major turning point in the long contentious legal battle over the CIA's treatment of prisoners during the Bush administration. Attorney General Eric Holder released a statement saying nobody from the CIA would be prosecuted for using the so-called enhanced interrogation techniques approved by the Justice Department early in the war against terror. A federal prosecutor investigated the cases of 101 suspected terrorists allegedly held by the CIA in secret prisons, including 3 senior al-Qaeda operatives who were subjected to waterboarding. Holder said no charges would be brought because the CIA interrogators were relying on legal opinions issued by the Justice Department, which argued that waterboarding and other stress-inducing techniques did not constitute torture. However, the same federal prosecutor recommended full criminal investigations into the deaths of 2 other prisoners while in CIA custody. One, an Iraqi named Manadel al-Jamadi, died in 2003 at the infamous Abu Ghraib prison. Al-Jamadi has come to be known as the Iceman because his body was packed in ice in an apparent attempt to cover up his death. A suspected terrorist, al-Jamadi was injured during his capture by Navy SEALs, but died in the custody of a CIA interrogator who is now under investigation by a federal grand jury. The second case involves a militant named Gul Rahman who was captured in 2002 in Pakistan and held at a secret prison in Afghanistan known as the Salt Pit. Hosed down and left in an unheated cell overnight, Rahman died of hypothermia. Neither prisoner had been singled out for special interrogation. They both apparently died of simple misuse or neglect.
David, what are you hearing about the CIA's reaction to this today?
Well, this happens to be CIA Director Leon Panetta's last day on the job before he takes over as Secretary of Defense. None of this happened on his watch, but he is clearly pleased by the decision. He issued a statement saying, "We are now finally about to close this chapter in our agency's history."
Thank you, David.